Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Michael and today we are going to be unboxing the Hagrid wand umbrella that was just released from Noble Collection. It just came out in the United States. It's been available in the UK for around a month, so I've been very eagerly waiting for it to come out here, and now we finally have it. It just arrived and I'm going to be unboxing it right here and showing it for the first time together. So let's get started. All right, so we've got a nice big Noble Collection box. It's as big as the frame, so it's got love coming home and seeing that logo on my doorstep. This is Noble Collection Lions with the crown. So let's open it up. Okay, oh, you can see the end of it. All right, so there's lots of packaging in here. It's a very big package. It came with just a standard Noble Collection catalog. I'm already familiar with everything in here, so we don't need to look through that today. Packing slip, we don't need that either. Okay, let's pull it out together. Ooh. It's going. Okay, so let's plastic bag off. Well, we do have, even despite the all of the protective packaging, we do have some damage on mine, unfortunately. So, well, let's just dive in. So we have the Hagrid's Rubeus Hagrid umbrella wand, authentic prop replica working umbrella. So yeah, I'm a little disappointed here. My box is broken. I don't display any of my boxes. However, this does retail for around $60, so I would kind of hope that it would be in nice pristine condition. So that might be something that we take care of. But anyway, let's see what's going on inside the box. The stickers on the end are similar to the Ollivander wands that are still available, like the original Harry Potter, Hermione, and all of those wands. Harry's is the only one that's different. So this one's aligned with all the other wand boxes that are still available in the Ollivander's wand boxes. But this is by far the biggest. So let's open it up. Wow, very excited. And so, so protective packaging on the inside. You can see the umbrella. So let's get rid of this stuff. I'll probably just keep the packaging inside. Just if I ever decided to travel with this, which I don't know if I would, but all right. This is so cool. Wow. All right, so let's, there's just another, let's see, I think this is just another, yeah, just another small catalog. So again, not something we really need. And there's like silica stuff to keep it dry. So let's get all this out of there. Is some, I'm noticing some protective foam on the inside of the box. So like back in there, we've got some foam so that if it slides back and forth, it's not going to get damaged at the end. So yeah, that denting that we noticed does go all the way through, unfortunately. I don't know if that's like a manufacturing issue or if that's something just as the result of my shipping. I'm looking at my box, and my box is pristine. No dents or anything on my shipping container. So this might have been something directly from the store, but we'll scoot that over here for a second. Okay, so let's look at what we're actually here to look at today, which is Hagrid's umbrella. It's surprisingly light. I thought it was going to be heavier, which I actually like. I'm glad that it's not a super heavy prop item. So the hilt there, we see kind of that wand design shape, and then a metal band that's right there. I wonder if this like unscrews. Lucius Malfoy's walking stick does unscrew if you aren't careful with it, but no, this is pretty sturdy. So this is good. So this, like Lucius Malfoy's walking stick, just while I mention it, this is in the prop replica category. So this is not sold with the other wands. So if you're going on Noble Collection's website, you need to look in the prop replicas rather than the wand area. So it's got a little button attachment here and a loop that goes around the button. So the loop detaches there. And then we have the umbrella itself, it says it's functioning. So any of you superstitious people, I was born on Friday the 13th, so this isn't unlucky for me. All right, so yeah, it's kind of like a little parasol. Like something you like would have over your shoulder. It's not a very wide umbrella. It would keep you safe, and I don't know how I would never take this out in actual rain because I care about it too much. But you know, it might have like, it's not very shiny. It doesn't really look like it has like a protective water coating on it. But you know, don't use this for weather. Crazy people, go buy an umbrella at the drugstore. Use that one. So on the inside there is a little Harry Potter logo tag. We can see that there. It just says it's polyester and cotton. So that's what the material is. But this is precious. I love this size. And since Hagrid is so massive, and since this is just a standard size umbrella, I just love that this is like what his wand is in. In the books, it was supposed to be the wand was like inside the umbrella, like kind of like this was a hollow container that his wand was inside that he can channel. But the way that they've designed it this way, it really does look like a wand handle has kind of been just attached to this, like his wand isn't quite all the way the distance of this. So it's a beautiful collectible. I'm very excited. This is going to be sitting with like our Mary Poppins umbrella and just a collection of magical umbrellas that we have here at the house. My Beauxbatons, for my Beauxbatons cosplay, I have a parasol, so this is just going to sit with those next to Lucius Malfoy's walking stick too. So a lovely collectible that's got a metal tip on the end there. So if you were to walk around with this, which again, I don't recommend, if you're going to do a Hagrid cosplay or something, like just stick it in your coat and don't, you know, keep your collectibles, treat them with care. So yeah, I love it. So I think the only time we see him, no, we see him use this a couple times. I think we see him light a fire in Sorcerer's Philosopher's Stone. He does that at the Hut on the Rock. And then he uses Wingardium Leviosa in Deathly Hallows Part 1 to lift the tent up. Hagrid's out there helping Bill and Fleur's wedding tent get set up. I think those are the only times we actually see him use this. In the book, he does use it quite a few more times. He uses Agramenti to put out his house when the Death Eaters set that on fire to save Fang. Oh, duh, he uses it on Dudley's tail. How can I forget that? That's the best one of all. He just like yank and tries to turn him into a pig, but Hagrid's not a very good wizard, so that doesn't last very long. So I think I might have gotten them all now. The most iconic one is the one I forget. So I'm very happy to have this. Very glad that Noble Collection's finally making it available. It's giving me hope that there might be even more ones coming, which I would love. I'm getting kind of close now. At the time of this recording, yeah, I'm getting kind of close to having the full collection, so I want to keep collecting. I don't want to run out of wands to collect. So if you've enjoyed this unboxing, I hope you'll give us a like and hit the subscribe button down below so that you can see more of our content. I've just, at the time of this video, I've just changed my Instagram handle. I can now be found at The Wizard Taylor on Instagram, and you can find my wife Haley at Hobbit Party, and the links will be down below.